not getting any sales for your print on demand for your Redbubble shop? Well, I'm gonna talk about all those things in this videos and how you can shift the game and can get more sales for, or can get some sales for your Redbubble print on demand shop. And hey guys, welcome back. I'm Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE Magazine page channel, where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to get some sales or how to increase your sales. If you're interested in that, then let's get started with that. And also don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate that. Now, I've been getting a few of the comments. People were asking me they're not getting the sales. They have opened up their shop and it's 4 months there, 3 months there, 2 months there, and they've uploaded a few designs, but they are not getting any sales. Is there something they are doing wrong about their shop, or the January sales are low, or the February sales are low? Like, what is the main factor why they're getting more sales and all that? So I'm going to cover the few reasons and few things that you can do to actually get more sales and to increase your sales onto the Redbubble or to the print on demand website. Now, the first tip that I have for you is, I see that most of the people who are telling me that they are not getting the sales for the print on demand shop have just 5 designs or 10 designs or 20 designs. Like, they have uploaded just a few designs and they are expecting to get sales from that. I'm not discouraging you guys, but let me give you the truth. On these print on demand platform, the barrier is entry quite low and many people are there on the platform, so the competition is huge, and for you to get your first sale fast or to get more sales, you need to upload more design. Not just upload 5 or 10 design expecting sales. To upload more designs, and I keep telling about these things, but I'm still getting more of the comments, more of the questions related to the same topic. People are saying that they've uploaded the 12 design, not getting any sales. And my answer is like, you have uploaded very less designs. The competition is so huge and you're competing with thousands and hundreds and thousands of artists and sellers on these platforms, and you have just uploaded the 12 design. Look, your 12 design will going to just go anywhere in that Redbubble shop, will just going to hide in the big collection of the different people who are uploading on their place. So you need to upload more designs. I couldn't emphasize more. So that's the first tip. Please upload more design. That is really, really important for you to actually know which is working well for you, which design is selling, which design is not selling, to have a kind of like research where you can work upon to increase your sales, to duplicate more of the sales and all that. So upload more design, which is really, really important. The second thing you need to do about is to get your first sale fast. Often tend to go for the trending design or the niches that are having the less competition but are in greater demand. And what tools you can use to look for such designs? You can use the Google Trends to look for the trends, what's trending right now. You can also use the Redbubble search engine itself to look for the designs that are trending right now, for which the people are searching for. You can also check out the Amazon, the Etsy, or even you just Google it. You can just go onto the Google and type for that keywords related to that particular niche and see what designs are coming up. Is there more demand, or is there less competition? Like, find a place where the competition is low and the demand is high, or either go for the trending designs, because people are actually looking for those designs right now, and it would be more helpful for you to get your first sale fast or to get more sales, which is really, really important, because we upload the designs just like that. We think that I like this design, so naturally the other people will also going to like that design and they're gonna purchase it. It may or may not be that case, but you need to get the first sale. So actually need to upload the designs for which the customer are looking for which the customer is searching for. We often upload the something thinking that it will going to sell, thinking that other people will going to enjoy that, will going to like that, but that doesn't happen in all the cases. It may or may not happen in few cases, but for most of the cases it doesn't happen, because I see that if I love this type of thing and people are not looking for that particular thing on the Redbubble, then what's the purpose of me uploading that design onto the Redbubble? I hope it get some clarity for you. Let me give you an example. If I'm uploading a blue texture, the blue watercolor texture, and no one is looking for blue watercolor texture, then why I need to upload that? Like, no one is looking for that, then who will going to purchase that design? Like, keep that thing in mind about your customer persona. People forget about the customer. They think about, I like this design, so I need to upload it. No, that's not the case, guys. You are not buying your designs. You are not buying your products. The customer needs to buy that products. If they are not interested in your design, then why are they going to buy from you? Think about that. Who is your customer? Who is your customer persona? What is your ideal customer? Is your ideal customer a female, of age 25 to 30 years, who is married and who is having kids, that's a design is related to that? Or is it the female who is not married, who is single, the design is related to that? Or it's related to the kids? Or is it related to the men? Or what is your ideal customer? What is your customer persona? Keep that thing in mind and then upload the design. Now, this might take you some time to actually research, but it's worth trying it, because if you're uploading the 100 designs and nobody is actually purchasing any of those designs, then what's the purpose of uploading them? Like, I hope it gets some clarity. You should do the research first before actually starting with anything. Now, you don't need to do months of research to get started on the Redbubble. That would be so much time to research. I'm not telling that. I'm just telling you to get started with, at least know that this particular niche, at least 2 or 3 niches you know that people are looking for, and then you are uploading them onto the Redbubble. So that's the main thing. Don't upload the designs like that only, thinking that it will going to sell. Look for actually people are there buying for it or not, whether it's trending or not, whether there is a low competition, whether it's a high demand or not. Do all those research a little bit before actually starting it. Or even if you have started right now and you haven't getting any sales, then do it research right now. Use the Google Trends, use the Redbubble search engine itself, the Etsy, the Amazon, or even Google it, that particular keyword, that particular niche, and see whether people are actually looking for that or not. Or you can even use the Google extension, that's the Google Chrome extension, the keywords everywhere. I think it's free. You can use that and you can search for the keywords, although I use it for the KDP as well, but you can do it for any kind of research you are doing on the Google. So do it, which is the third tip that I have for you is I did with my own Jazzle shop. When I was getting started with the Jazzle, I uploaded the 35 designs, and then I keep my rate price, like the profit price less. That was the 5%. That is the default Jazzle profit margin. So I keep it less to actually test the market and to stand from the market. You can also do it, guys. You can decrease your profit margin in the beginning to keep it in the standard base price. You might get $1 or $2 from the profit, or you may not be getting any profit out of it, but you might see that the people who are looking for that particular niche will going to land up your shop and see that you're selling the same product at lower rate. They might purchase from you, and you would get few sales in the very beginning. So that in the beginning, when you see that you're getting few sales, then you're gonna see that your designs will going to be more up in the search engine, and that would bring you more traffic, more sales coming into your shop, and then you can increase your profit according to it. Like, you can just test the market, what's working. For me, what I did, like, I uploaded on the Jazzle, that was the 5% base price, and then I slowly increased the profit margin up to see that how much I can increase it and I can get the more sales. You can do the same thing with your Redbubble shop. Of course, you can't do it with the Teepublic. On the Teepublic, we can't increase your profit margin. We doesn't control the price, so it doesn't apply to the Teepublic, but it does apply to the Redbubble. You can decrease your profit, like you can upload your designs in the if you're a new shop or you're not getting that sales, you can decrease the profit. You can upload the designs at the base price. You might or might not get any profit out of it, but you're gonna get few sales, and you're gonna see that this design is getting you more sales. Then you can increase the profit for that design, and then slowly you're gonna get more profit and more sales from it. Now, this is kind of experiment. You can test with the idea and see what's there actually working for you, and not do exactly what I did. Like, you can see what's there for you, because it might be unique for you. If you see that you have uploaded the animal design, animal related niche, and it's working well for you and you're getting few sales for that, then try to increase the profit after you have decreased the profit, so that you will be getting more profit and more sales coming from it. So that's it for today's video, guys. Leave a comment below and let me know if this video is useful to you or not. And thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.